Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn circles together, step by step. Every circle on the SAT comes from one equation. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center sits at the point h, k, and r is the radius. The biggest trap is signs. Because the form uses x minus h, a center at positive 3 shows up as x minus 3. Flip the sign you see inside to find the center. Let's read one straight off the board. We have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 36. The x minus 2 gives h equals 2. The y plus 5 is really y minus negative 5, so k equals negative 5. The center is 2, negative 5. And r squared is 36, so the radius is the square root of 36, which is 6. Here's a common SAT twist. The circle is x plus 1 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 49. The center is negative 1, 4, and the radius is the square root of 49, which is 7. They ask for the lowest point on the circle. That's directly below the center, so subtract the radius from the y-coordinate. 4 minus 7 is negative 3. The lowest point is negative 1, negative 3. Now the general form, x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y equals 0. Group the x terms and the y terms. To complete the square, take half of negative 6, square it to get 9, and half of 8 squared gives 16. Add both to each side. The left becomes x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared, and the right becomes 25. So the center is 3, negative 4, and the radius is 5. Here's your circle game plan. 1. Know the standard form cold. 2. Flip the signs inside the parentheses to read the center. 3. Take the square root of the right side to get the radius. And 4. If the equation looks messy in general form, complete the square to convert it. Do that, and every circle question becomes routine. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.